Here's how you can add a background audio to your video. This is important because the background audio that you add to your video would direct or it will direct the emotion of the person watching your video. For example, if it's a joyful audio, if you want the person watching your video to be feeling kind of joyful, happy, you add an upbeat background audio, that kind of one that can make them jiggy, dance, and smile and all of that. If you want them to feel, if the emotion you want them to feel while watching that video is a sad one, you need to add a sad audio. Those ones that will make them feel something. Let me tell you something. Those movies that you watch, that you're crying, is making you cry. Do you know one of the things that triggers that emotion on for you is the audio that they put? If you watch those videos, those painful scenes and quotes, if you watch them again without the audio, you will not feel anything, I assure you. What makes that emotion come up, what makes you cry, is the kind of audio that you hear, not just what you're seeing. So this is important. One more thing, when adding a background audio, make sure that it is in the background. It's called a background audio. It should not in any way overshadow what you're saying. Somebody should not be struggling to hear you because your background audio is too loud. So here's how you can do it. All right, so come here, click on audio, click on sound. It will bring this. You can use a sound from CapCut.
But if it's for a YouTube video, it's best to import an audio from the YouTube library so you don't get any copyright strikes.
Let me just use this one. Let me play it. Something like this. I'll click on the plus sign. Let me go back so you can see what I did well. Click on sound. It brings you here. These are the recommended ones. But you can also come up here to select any one that you want, depending on the kind of audio you want. You can also search. People are searching sad. So people are searching for sad audios now to use in their videos. That's what's trending. Or you can use from the recommended ones. Just make sure that you play it to hear the audio. All right. You can also, if you want to save an audio, just tap on this icon right here and it will save it. If you want to add it to your video, click on the plus sign and it brings it here. Let's play it.
I've come to realize that one of the top reasons why a lot of people do not start their content.
This is loud. So what we'll do is, the sound is already highlighted. Just tap on it to highlight it. Then you come to volume. You tap on volume and then you reduce the volume. We leave it at maybe 6.
I've come to realize that one of the top reasons why a lot of people do not start their content creation journey.
This is actually okay.
What to say, or they don't have the skills. Is that we have convinced ourselves.
This is okay.
So much.
This is okay. But if you want, you can increase it a little. Maybe leave it at 8.
I've come to realize that one of the top reasons why a lot of people do not start their content creation journey is not.
Just make sure that it is not in any way overshadowing what you're saying. Okay? It should be low. You leave it between. There are some that I leave at 1 and it will still be loud. Some I leave at 2. Just listen to it to make sure that you can hear what you're saying very, very well. All right, so this is how you add a background audio. Once you're done, just click on the check icon. And also you need to go, because sometimes the audio may be longer than the video like this. So you come to the end, tap on split, delete the excess. You can split it wherever, but just tap on it. We're going to trim it now to stop here. So the video stops where it's supposed to stop. If you don't do this, your video will finish playing, and then what people will be seeing, what people will be hearing is the audio and a black screen. Make sure this doesn't happen. Just reduce it. Always trim it to make sure it stops maybe a second before your video or at the same time with your video.
So finally, I had to add this after recording the entire video. One more thing that you can add to your video to make it even more professional is fade in and fade out. You know those videos that you watch where, or those audios where it's like they are tuning up the volume. It starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before it gets loud. That's an example of fading. And fade out is like you're tuning down the volume. It goes from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is fade out. So your audio doesn't just start or stop abruptly. It fades in and at the end it fades out. And to do that, make sure your audio is highlighted, tap on it. Then you click on fade right here. So to fade in, you can increase it to like how long you want it to fade in. I'll leave it at 1.7. And fade out, you can also increase it how long you want it to fade out. I'll leave it at the same 1.7. So your video fades, your audio fades in, and at the end of the video, it fades out. Let me know if you have any questions concerning this. Also, if you need a video editor to edit your videos so that you can spend more time creating and showing up for your community, then I'm your girl. Click on the link in the description or the link in the pin post to see the different packages that I offer. I have just a few more slots open, so click now, pick your package, and let's get started. And if you want to learn how to edit your video from start to finish using CapCut, then click on this video right here and I'll see you there. Remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.
You don't love me.
Yes.